Welcome to the Stepanian law firm. My name is Ruben Stepanian. I am a divorce and family law attorney. I make this video to give you a brief snapshot as to how the divorce is accomplished. When you want a divorce, you will first obviously go and hire an attorney. That attorney will, in the first meeting, get some information from you. That information is necessary for the lawyer to file a document with the court that is called a net worth statement. The net worth statement is the controlling document in any divorce case. The net worth statement, the first part, will have some background information, dates of birth, number of children, social security numbers, occupation, and so on and so forth. The second portion of that document will have a list of all of your expenses, monthly expenses that you incur in day-to-day life. The third section will have the income information. The income that you and your spouse earn. Generally speaking, we will take that income from your prior year's tax returns. And after that, we will give the court a list of all of your assets and all of your debts. The assets are anything: bank accounts, cash you have, retirement accounts, securities accounts, business if you own a business, and cars, anything that you own, and really anything that you owned and acquired during your marriage. The next step will be to give all of your liabilities. Liabilities can be anything: credit card debt, mortgages, student loans, business loans, home equity lines, and we will have to give all of that information to the court. So once your attorney has this document set, then we will file with the court asking for the divorce. That filing is called the summons and complaint. Once we file the summons and complaint, that document then has to be served personally to your ex. Serving personally means simply that we will hire a person whose job is process server. That person will take the summons and complaint and a photograph of your ex and will hand deliver that document to them. Depending on where your ex was served, either within New York State or outside of New York State, they will have anywhere between 20 to 30 days to file a verified answer. And that verified answer is the answer to the complaint that you filed. After that, we will file 2 other documents with the court. The first is called a request for judicial intervention. This document allows the court to assign a judge to your case. The second document is the demand for preliminary conference. And that demand is will be your first court appearance during your divorce case. So once the court assigns a judge and sets the date for the preliminary conference, you and me as your attorney and your ex, and if your ex has hired an attorney, then that attorney, all 4 of us, will go to court. And at that time, the court will set a schedule for the discovery stage of your divorce case. The discovery stage is really another way of saying the investigation of the case. During the investigation, both your attorney and your ex's attorney will seek to find any assets, We'll seek to understand, where you all are on the income level, what the expenses are, and through this process, you will have to exchange your own bank statements with your ex, and your ex will also have to do the same. Usually, we will exchange 3 years of monthly bank statements, credit card statements. If there are retirement accounts, then retirement account information. So once all of that is done, then we will go back to court for the second court appearance, which is called the compliance conference. And at that conference, the attorneys will tell the court whether the investigation is complete or not. If it is not complete, then the court will give another order to the parties to finish their investigation. At the third court appearance, the attorneys and the parties will go to court again, and this is called the certification conference. This is where all parties will have to certify that the investigation is complete and that they are ready for trial. If of course, if there are no settlements. And generally speaking, settlements may be more advisable under certain circumstances. And again, that depends on you and your case. If the case is not settled, then we will go to trial, and the trial may last anywhere from a day to 3 weeks, depending on what the issues are and what the complications of the case are. So that's it for your brief rundown on the divorce process. If you have any questions, please call me. You may reach us at 646-596-6874. Thank you, and have a nice day.